Question number 1. What is the estimated fiscal deficit for the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is C. 4.8% of GDP. Question number 2. How much funding was allocated for the Urban Challenge Fund in the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is C. 1 lakh crore. Question number 3. What percentage of government expenditure goes to interest payments? The right answer is C. 20% to 24%. Question number 4. What initiative was announced to support first-time women entrepreneur in the Union Budget 2025? The right answer is B. Term loans of up to 2 crore. Question number 5. What do you mean by balanced budget? The right answer is D. Expenditure equal to revenue. Question number 6. What is the total expenditure outlined in the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. Question number 7. According to Union Budget 2025 to 2026, a greenfield airport will be established in which state? The right answer is A. Bihar. Question number 8. Which of the following is the largest source of government revenue as per Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. Borrowings and other liabilities. Question number 9. Under which scheme launched in the Budget 2025 to 2026 will Indian language books be digitalized to enhance school and higher education accessibility? The right answer is A. Bharatiya Bhasha Pustak scheme. Question number 10. What is the allocation for defense in 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. Question number 11. What is the allocation for the Ministry of Science and Technology in the Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. Question number 12. The Western Koshi Canal ERM project will be launched under the Budget 2025 to 2026 for? The right answer is A. Financial support for irrigation infrastructure in Mithianchal. Question number 13. Under the Budget 2025 to 2026, no income tax is applicable for annual incomes up to 12 lakh, extended to dash for salaried taxpayer with deductions. The right answer is A. 12.75 lakh. Question number 14. Which bill was announced under the Union Budget 2025 to 2026 for discriminating 100 plus legal provisions, easing business operation and reducing regulatory compliance burdens? The right answer is B. Jan Vishwas Bill 2.0. Question number 15. According to the Union Budget 2025 to 2026, what is the current revenue deficit estimated of India? The right answer is A. Question number 16. Who presents the Union Budget of India? The right answer is C. Finance Minister. Question number 17. The Union Budget 2025 to 2026 is centered on the theme of. The right answer is B. Sabka Vikas. Question number 18. Which Yojana was announced in the Budget 2025 to 2026 to cover 100 low agriculture productivity districts benefiting 1.7 crore farmers, enhancing irrigation and post-harvest storage facilities? The right answer is A. Prime Minister Dhan Dhanya Krishi Yojana. Question number 19. When is the Union Budget usually presented? The right answer is C. 1st February. Question number 20. A dash year mission launched in the Budget 2025 to 2026 focuses on Tar, Urad and Masood, ensuring climate resilient seeds and remunerative prices. The right answer is A. 6 year. Question number 21. What is the fiscal year period in India? The right answer is A. April 1 to March 31. Question number 22. The Kisan credit limits will be raised in Budget 2025 to 2026 from 3 lakh to dash to facilitate credit flow for 7.7 crore farmers. The right answer is D. 10 lakh. Question number 23. Who was the first finance minister to present the Union Budget of independent India? The right answer is A. R.K. Shanmukham Chetty. Question number 24. To enhance production, processing and value addition of Makhana and Makhana Board will be established under the Budget 2025 to 2026 in. The right answer is A. Bihar. Question number 25. Under the Budget 2025 to 2026, a new framework for sustainable fishing in the Indian Exclusive Economic Zone and High Seas will focus on which state/UTs? The right answer is D. Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. Question number 26. In which year did the Indian Railway Budget and the Union Budget get merged? The right answer is C. 2017. Question number 27. Under the Budget 2025 to 2026, a new urea plant will be established in which state? The right answer is B. Assam. Question number 28. A vote on count is? The right answer is C. A temporary provision for expenditures. Question number 29. The Union Budget 2025 to 2026 was presented recognized 4 engines of development. They are. The right answer is B. Agriculture, MSME, investment and exports. Question number 30. What is the revised capital expenditure totality for infrastructure in Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. 11.11 lakh crore. Question number 31. What percentage of GDP is allocated for capital expenditure in the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. 3.0%. Question number 32. Under the budget 2025 to 2026, how much is allocated for Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana? The right answer is B. 80,671 crore. Question number 33. How much has been allocated for the Jal Jeevan mission in the budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. 69,800 crore. Question number 34. What is the estimated nominal GDP growth for the financial year 2025 to 2026 as per the Union Budget? The right answer is C. 7.6%. Question number 35. How much has been allocated for Indian Railway in the budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. 2.28 lakh crore. Question number 36. What is the fiscal consolidation target for the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. Reduce fiscal deficit to below 4.5% of GDP by FY 2025 to 2026. Question number 37. Under the Union Budget 2025 to 2026, how much has been allocated to the PM Garib Kalyan Anna Yojana? The right answer is B. 2.0 lakh crore. Question number 38. What is the budgeted disinvestment target for the FY 2025 to 2026? The right answer is D. 75,000 crore. Question number 39. How much has been allocated for Digital India program in the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is C. Question number 40. What is the projected tax revenue collection for the Union Budget 2025 to 2026? The right answer is B. 30.4 lakh crore.